Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac CTS-V versus C63 AMG. Let's dive into the core differences. The CTS-V boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, delivering a robust 556 horsepower and 551 pound-feet of torque. In contrast, the C63 AMG features a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8, offering 451 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. Both cars provide an exhilarating ride, but their power delivery feels distinct. When it comes to driving dynamics, each car offers a unique feel. The CTS-V often comes equipped with magnetic ride control, allowing for a comfortable ride or a firm, track-ready setup at the touch of a button. The C63 AMG, on the other hand, is celebrated for its direct steering and a more traditional, taut suspension. Both provide excellent feedback and confidence when pushing their limits on winding roads. Moving inside, both vehicles offer a blend of luxury and sportiness. The CTS-V provides a more spacious interior, often featuring comfortable seating for 5 and a larger trunk, making it quite practical for daily use. The C63 AMG presents a more driver-centric cockpit with high-quality materials and a focused design. Both successfully combine their performance credentials with a level of comfort suitable for daily driving. Ultimately, choosing between these two comes down to personal preference. The CTS-V often offers a compelling performance per dollar proposition, delivering immense power and advanced suspension technology. The C63 AMG, however, carries the prestige of German engineering and a distinct exhaust note that many enthusiasts adore. Both are fantastic choices for a high-performance sedan. Before you go, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.